Combining digital platforms and customer centricity is a recipe for success. Consumers get efficient, personalized customer experiences, while providers get direct access to the voice of the customer to launch new products and services with confidence and speed. Atos and a leading global coffee producer have collaborated to create an innovative connected coffee machine and mobile app to deliver a world-class coffeehouse experience in any office or semi-public location. There's nothing better than relaxing with your friends over a cup of barista-quality coffee, but consumers want a personalized, hassle-free experience. Say you want an afternoon pick-me-up to get yourself through the workday without stepping out of the office. Using the interactive touchscreen, you can order and pay for a great cup of coffee, or use the mobile app to place an order depending on your preference. Even if you're out of the office, you can find the nearest coffee vending machine using the mobile app. There's no waiting in line. There's no searching for a coffee shop. Your brew is ready right when you want it, just the way you want it. This fast, convenient, personalized service creates a compelling experience and brings companies and customers together. This sales model enables companies to get consumer feedback efficiently and accurately, and enables them to try out new products quickly and at lower cost. AI-powered analytics help understand consumer preferences, sales data, and machine performance in real time. A management dashboard provides visibility and clarity to each department in order to plan effectively, maximize uptime, and enable a precise, predictable replenishment model that can significantly boost revenue. All of this is driven by a digital platform from Atos, supported by big data analytics, IoT, and a secure Azure Sphere architecture to keep your competitive information safe. Atos is your trusted digital transformation partner, with the technology skills and industry expertise to overcome the complexity of transforming the customer experience and unlock new sales channels. Talk to an Atos expert today.